To log out of your YouTube account on mobile or sign out of your YouTube account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to log out of your YouTube account. Now, if you want to sign out of your YouTube account on mobile phone, you can simply follow this step or watch this video till the very end. The first step is you just need to open the YouTube app. So you just need to open the YouTube app on a device, and this is the homepage of YouTube where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar and the links which are played on the screen. So tap on the profile icon at the very bottom right, and from here you'll see the option of switch account, Google account, or incognito, share channel, and all. So simply select the option of Google account at the very center of the screen, and from here you just need to select the Google account or choose the Google account connected to the YouTube, and from here you just need to tap on it and you just need to click on the option of manage account on this device, and you just need to select the account which you are logged in with, and you just need to long press on it and click on the option of remove account from here. So after removing the account, you will be able to log out from the YouTube app in a very easy step. So that's it. That's how you can log out from your YouTube app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.